The programs that are offered at Confederation College varies from 1 year to 2 years to max up to 3 years duration as such, where we offer diploma programs, advanced diploma programs which are on undergrad level, even certificate programs which are on undergrad level, and postgraduate or graduate certificate programs on the postgraduate level at Confederation College. Confederation College offers almost 58 full-time programs across 3 academic schools. The first one would be School of Aviation, Engineering, Technology and Trades. The second one would be School of Business, Hospitality and Media Arts. And third would be School of Health and Community Services. As I said, the length of the programs offered at Confederation College varies from 1 to 3 years. Especially when we are looking into technical programs, the college ensures that every student gets a practical hands-on experience and every student works on individual equipments on the program they are studying as such. We also offer internships such as work placements, field placements, co-op, clinical placements for health science programs, and also in certain programs of postgraduate level, we offer something called as capstone projects. Now, capstone projects are industry-based projects that students work on during the final semester of the program, so that when they attend the interviews, they will be presenting these projects in front of the employer, where the employer gets an understanding of the students or the employee's skill set for hiring in the field, wherein they are aware of the program content as such. In terms of the academic programs that are offered at Confederation for September as well as for January would be aviation programs. Like currently the popular programs at Confederation College would be Aviation Technician Aircraft Maintenance Program, which is for a duration of 2 years, or Aerospace Manufacturing Engineering Technician Programs, which is for a 2-year, or an Aerospace Manufacturing Engineering Technology, which is for 3 years as such. In this, Aerospace Manufacturing is offered for September as well as for January as of now, whereas Aircraft Maintenance is a program which is offered only for September intake as such. In terms of dental programs, both dental assisting and dental hygiene are being offered at Confederation College, where dental hygiene is a 3-year program and a highly oversubscribed program where limited seats are offered for international students. Both these programs, dental hygiene and dental assisting, are offered only in the September intake because the college has a strong association with Dental Association of Canada and has a certification for these programs. So we could offer this program only once a year. In terms of engineering programs on the undergrad level, we do have civil programs, computer programmer, mechanical engineering technician, electronic, which is in combination of electronics with computers, which is more of a networking based programs, which are for 2 years each. We do have an electrical engineering technology for 3 years, environmental program for 2 years, and instrumentation, process automation control for a duration of 2 years as such. So most of these programs are open for September as of now. Whereas the programs that will be offered in under these engineering programs for the January intake would be the electronic one, which is a combination of electronics and computers, electrical engineering technology program for 3 years, and the instrumentation with process automation control for a duration of 2 years as such. Postgraduate programs offered at Confederation College, and all the programs are pretty popular. The first one would be Industrial Manufacturing Process Program, which is for a 2-year duration. Especially for mechanical, aeronautical, aerospace kind of students. Digital Marketing and Marketing Analytics program, which is offered for students from business background who have either an experience in the marketing field or has some sort of a content of marketing in their business program as such. Engineering, Business and Safety Management program, which is quite diversely open for mechanical, civil, electrical, instrumentation, petroleum kind of background students. Human Resource Management, which is a 1-year program, which is quite popular because Confederation College was one of the first colleges in Ontario to offer a human resource management program. So any student who studies or any student who would study at Confederation College, the 1-year human resource management program will be further eligible to write something called as CHIRP certification, which is called as CHRP, Certificate for Human Resource Professional, which is a highly designated certification as such. Now, every second employee or employer who has been working in the HR field has completed either a full-time or part-time program of human resource at Confederation College. College also offers International Business Management program, which is a 1-year program, which is quite diverse program being offered at Confederation College. It deals with marketing, supply chain management and logistics, finance and accounting, international negotiation, project management kind of a content as such. Leadership for healthcare professionals is an healthcare management program, which is offered for 1 year. Embedded systems is a 2-year program, which is specially offered for students with electronics and communication or electrical background students. Information communication technology is a 2-year program, which is a combination of database management, web application content, and content which covers IT solutions for business as such. And the last program of postgraduate would be a health informatics program of 1 year as such. Now, most of these programs for September are full at this point of time. The programs that are open as of now for September intake would be human resource management program of 1 year with few seats, embedded systems for 2 years with few seats available, and leadership for healthcare professionals with a few seats as such. These are the 3 programs that are available for September as of now with few seats remaining. As of now, we haven't announced our program list of postgraduate for January intake, but somewhere by mid-July, we'll be opening the OCAS portal or the admissions portal, and we'll be informing everybody in advance once we open up postgraduate programs for January intake as such. In terms of other diploma programs for September intake, right now we have culinary management program open, tourism, travel and eco adventure. The reason for running these programs because most of the students are not aware that Thunder Bay is also considered as a tourist location, whereas the Canadians are already aware of it. So since Thunder Bay is considered as a tourist location as well, culinary management and tourism travel are quite potential programs in these locations as such. We also offer community-based programs like development service worker and recreation therapy programs, which are for 2 years each. We also have business programs, which are common in most of the colleges in Canada in the undergrad level, where we have got business, accounting, marketing, and human resource program, which are for 2 years and as well as for 3 years as well. We do have media programs being offered of film production. The college runs a brand called as Conflicts, which is quite popular. We offer digital media production and an interactive media development program of 3 years, which is more of a web development kind of a program offered at Confederation College. Interesting factor is none of these media programs require any portfolio for anybody to apply at Confederation College as such, and all these programs as of now are still having seats and are open for September intake as of now. We do have certificate programs of 1 year of personal support worker and a medical laboratory assistant of 1 year as such. We also offer something called as accelerated or fast track programs, where we have a development service worker of 1 year and a recreation therapy program of 1 year. Now these accelerated programs are nothing but undergrad programs, but we give credit transfer to the students who have completed their bachelor's and want to study this program in a shorter period of time as such. On completion of the program, the credentials would be still of an undergrad diploma level itself.